Hello everyone, let me show you how to connect Bitbucket data center to Google Chat. So to begin with, we need to jump to a channel, click on apps and iterations, and find here add a webhook. I will just copy an existing one. Jump to your Bitbucket window and create a new role. You will put here the name demo. This is copied URL from Google Chat. Then you select filter by repository or project and select an event. Pull request, for example, opened, pull request merged, and then we want to see what we want to see. We want to see project, we want to see repository, we want to see pull request, we want to see the last commit message. We click test to ensure that the connection is done. Okay, we can reach from our data center to Google APIs, and then we save, and then we'll jump to the project, to the repo, and do the changes over there. Do the change, create a pull request, demo. Here's our pull request, and here's our chat message. As you see, it says that the pull request title, it has project and repository. Then we'll merge it. And we can see that it was done. Not only this, but you also can configure projects and bucket notifications from Google Chat on project level as well as repo level. So on the project level, when you configure things, you'll see that you can only do it for this current project. And if you go to a repository, you can only create notifications to Google Chat only for this repository. So repo admins can easily manage these notifications. If you have any feature requests or feedback, please feel free to reach out. Thank you very much.